Hi.
Halo, halo, halo.
What happened, bro? Yesterday.
I go to forest for fun, for enjoy, but I'm lost.
Wah, kenapa kamu lost?
What happened?
No, just make a new adventure.
Maybe ada ghost. Good evening. Lupa dah.
Good evening,
Good
everyone.
evening.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine, just fine.
Yes.
Fine. I'm
And
doing
happy.
good.
Okay, nice.
I'm great like pineapple.
I'm great.
Always promotion.
Yes, Surya.
Yeah. That call is marketing, right?
Ya, emang marketing nih dia.
Mm.
Oke, so hari ini itu topik kita adalah apa? Coba.
Exam.
Apa hari ini kita topiknya apa, guys?
Exam ya.
Hmm?
Exam. Ini
Ya,
exam.
kita.
Exam, yes, completely true. You're going to have an exam today. Okay, you will not
My
going
signal is
to.
bad. My
Huh?
signal is back.
So,
Raining,
Kali ya.
raining also.
Because exam.
oh, pura-pura banget nih. Mohon maaf tidak terima alasannya. Oke.
I'm afraid. I'm worried.
Ya. Jadi hari ini examnya adalah seperti IELTS Speaking Test Part 2, which is you're going to speak within 2 minutes without stop. So you cannot stop before I stop you. Oke, jadi nanti aku akan kasih pertanyaan. Pertanyaannya itu sebenarnya ada satu, tapi ada beberapa poin-poin yang harus dijelaskan terkait pertanyaan tersebut. Oke, and you are going to answer the question within 2 minutes. Tapi don't worry because before you answer the question, I will give you 1 minute to prepare. Ya, jadi teman-teman 1 menit itu adalah waktu untuk kalian mencatat atau membuat sedikit note ya. Apa-apa aja yang mau kalian jelasin, kalian bisa catat ya, bisa dibuat dulu note-nya, tapi waktunya memang singkat, hanya 1 menit, oke? So 1 minute to prepare the answer and then you are going to speak 2 minutes. Jadi ngomongnya 2 menit ya. 2 menit itu nggak boleh berhenti sebelum aku yang stopin. Kalau aku sudah stopin, berarti tandanya kalian sudah berhasil berbicara 2 menit. Oke, nggak harus fluence, nggak harus lancar, yang penting kamu ngomong aja. Karena kan nanti banyak kok yang dibahas, jadi kalian nggak akan kehabisan topik ya. Karena topiknya ada beberapa, maksudnya satu topik, satu pertanyaan, tapi ada banyak yang harus dijelaskan dari pertanyaan tersebut. Nih kita coba lihat ya. Answer it for 2 minutes, itu ada. Jadi ini tipe pertanyaannya seperti kayak gini. Describe a time of the day you like. Ya, jadi dalam satu hari itu kan ada banyak waktu ya, waktu pagi, siang, sore, malam ya. Nah, kira-kira tuh waktu mana di dalam satu hari itu yang paling kalian sukai? Ini kan ada banyak nih, ada 4 bullet points yang kalian harus jawab. What time of the day it is, kira-kira itu waktu kapan. Kemudian what do you do at the time, apa yang kalian lakukan misalnya pagi hari. Apa yang kamu lakukan pada hari itu bisa dijelasin panjang. Kemudian who you are usually with, di jam-jam tersebut kalian itu biasanya dengan siapa. And then why you like it, kenapa kamu suka di jam itu, kenapa pada waktu itu yang kamu paling suka. Jadi berikan alasannya ya. Jadi pertanyaannya ada satu, cuma yang harus dijelasin penjelasan-penjelasan yang harus include ke dalam jawaban kalian itu ada 4 poin ya. Nah itu, tapi pertanyaannya bukan cuma ini teman-teman. Jadi ini ada banyak sebenarnya, ada 1, ada 2, ada tentang describe something you own which is very important to you, sesuatu yang kamu apa nih? Yang kamu punyai. Ya, yang mana itu sangat penting untuk kamu. Misalnya laptop. Menurut kamu laptop itu ada sesuatu yang kamu miliki dan itu sangat penting. Ya, nanti dijelasin di mana kamu dapetinnya. Berapa lama kamu udah punya laptopnya atau barang itu, and then what you use it for? Kamu gunakan itu untuk apa? And then kenapa itu penting untuk kamu? And explain. Ini yang kedua, ya. Ini yang ketiga. Nanti aku kasih pilihan kok. Kalian boleh milih pertanyaan yang mana ya. Jadi kalian boleh screenshot yang mana yang kalian mau. Ini yang ketiga, describe a museum. Oke, yang pertama, how often do you visit the museum? Ini kebalik ya, do-nya harusnya di sini. How often do you visit the museum? Seberapa sering kamu mengunjungi museum itu? Which type of museum is popular in your country? Kira-kira museum yang populer di negara kamu itu museum apa? Kemudian, why do you want to visit the museum? Kenapa kamu pengen visit museum itu? And then, where do you visit lately? Museum apa yang kamu kunjungi akhir-akhir ini? Ya, oke. Nah, kemudian yang ini, describe your favorite photograph or picture. Jelaskan photograph atau gambar ya, atau foto yang kalian paling sukai. Di mana kalian ambil fotonya, kemudian siapa yang mengambil itu, di mana foto itu diambil, siapa yang mengambil foto itu, kemudian what can be seen from the photo, apa aja yang bisa dilihat dari foto itu, ada gambar apa-apa aja di foto itu ya, bisa dijelasin. Di foto ini ada gambar gunung, ada air, ada orang-orang atau apa gitu ya, kalian jelasin aja yang ada di gambarnya. Kemudian explain why it is favorite photograph for you. Kenapa sih foto itu adalah foto yang paling favorit? Apa mungkin itu foto yang ada kenangan tertentu atau apa? Atau karena mungkin emang fotonya aja yang bagus ya. You explain it why you think that's your favorite photograph. And then selanjutnya kita ada ini, describe an area of your country you know. Jelasin satu area di negara kamu yang kamu tahu dan kamu suka. Pertama, di mana itu, di mana area itu. Kemudian, what are its special features? Special features-nya itu apa? Kemudian, what do you and other people do in this area? Apa yang kamu dan orang-orang lakukan di area itu, ya. And then explain why you like it. Kenapa kamu suka? Misalnya kalian di sini bisa jelasin banyak loh, bisa jelasin tentang tourism places, ya, tourist attractions dan lain-lain. Oke, kemudian yang terakhir adalah ini, describe a party. Ya, jelasin sebuah party. Party apa itu? Kemudian why was the party held? Kenapa party itu diadain? Kemudian siapa yang mengadakan party tersebut dan what did you do for that party? Apa yang kamu lakukan di party tersebut? Gitu ya. Jadi ini adalah pilihan-pilihan pertanyaannya. Nanti teman-teman dapat waktu 1 menit untuk membuat note sebelum menjawab. Nah, setelah itu ngomong 2 menit gitu. Jadi ini describe a party atau describe an area, sebuah area yang kamu sukai, atau describe tentang your favorite picture atau photograph, kemudian tentang museum, kemudian something you own which is very important to you. Ya, barang yang kamu punyai, sama yang ini juga ada tentang hari atau waktu di dalam satu hari yang kamu sukai. Oke, so kamu nanti bebas memilih, teman-teman bebas banget mau pilih pertanyaan yang mana yang mau dijawab. Ini aku nggak strict ya, jadi kalian bebas memilih. Nanti yang penting ngomongnya 2 menit, dah gitu aja. Oke, paham ya? Ada lagi nggak yang mau ditanyakan? Sebelum kita go to the exam. Hello?
Yeah, I'm prepared.
Oke, kalian sudah prepare kayaknya.
Yeah. Because there's a little time to prepare.
Little time to prepare. Oke, nice. Alright, so silakan angkat tangan untuk yang sudah siap dan mau maju duluan. Aku akan mengurutkan dari yang paling pertama angkat tangan sampai yang paling terakhir ya. So we are going to start with Sister Laili first. Oke. Oke, Sister mau pilih yang mana pertanyaannya?
First question, describe the time of the day.
Oh, yang ini. Oke. I will timer you ya. Aku timer ya.
Yes.
Timer 1 menit. Oke. Oke, so 1 minute start from now. Silahkan disiapin dulu. Nanti kalau sudah aku akan kasih tahu kalau waktunya habis ya. Disiapin aja dulu.
I'm finished prepare my.
Oh, you already prepare?
Yeah.
I mean, you guys, you prepare itu pas aku timer gitu maksudnya aku kasih 1 menit nggak apa-apa
Oh
deh.
my God. Iya,
Oke,
iya,
nggak apa-apa, nggak apa-apa, nggak apa-apa kalau Sister Fitria udah. Yang lain jangan dipersiapkan dulu ya. Nanti pas aku kasih timer baru kalian mulai ngerjain, oke? Alright. So, Sister Fitria, you can start now. Aku kasih timer 2 menit berarti untuk ngomong ya. So, 2 menit dimulai dari sekarang. Silakan.
Okay, I will telling about my day. I'm wake up in the morning at 5 o'clock, and then I take a prayer after I take a prayer subuh. After that, I'm cooking to breakfast to my family and I pick a meal for my children. And then I take my children to going to school. After that, my daddy to my family finished. I'm going to Bangkalan to controlling my beauty salon at 7 o'clock. I need 1 hour to arrive at the Bangkalan. After that, I will check all my work in my beauty salon, like a check note, like a check bill of my customer, check about outcome and income in my beauty salon. I need for about 2 hours and 3 hours to controlling my beauty salon, and after that I will back to Surabaya because I live in Surabaya. After that I go back to Surabaya and then I will pick up my son at 12 o'clock. After pick up my son, I will back to home After that I will do my course in my home, and then while waiting hours to pick up my daughter. After that at 3 p.m. I will pick up my daughter and in her school, and then after that I will take pray asar and back to my home again, and after that I will take a rest just a little time.
Oke, the time is up. Nice. Gak apa-apa, gak usah dilanjutin ya. Karena kan ini cuma mau ngetes bisa ngomong 2 menit atau enggak, itu aja. Oke, sister, very nice. Aku cuma punya 2 correction aja. Yang pertama, I will tell, ya. Will itu selalu bersebelahan dengan verb 1 bear tanpa ditambahkan ing atau sis ya. Jadi will tell. Kemudian I need 1 hours. 1 hour without S ya. That's it for the whole speak. Very good. Okay, so thank you. Congratulations untuk Sister Laili. Alright. So now we're moving on to Bro Surya.
Yes.
Okay, now it's your turn. Kamu pilih yang mana soalnya?
Describe a type of
Yang ini.
about photo.
Yang pertama ini.
No.
Yang
about
mana?
photo.
Oh, yang foto. Oke, yang foto. Di sini foto nih. Oke. So now you have to describe your favorite photograph with the bullet points here. Ada poin-poin yang harus dijelaskan. I will give you 1 minute to prepare. Yeah, so
Okay.
you have 1 minute, only 1 minute, and then you can start now. Silakan di-prepare dulu 1 menit ya.
Oke.
Kalau aku udah siap, sis.
Kalau udah
Oh, iya,
siap
iya.
nggak apa-apa, nggak usah.
Aku udah siap dengan topik yang sama. Photograph.
Oke, kalau udah siap nggak apa-apa, nggak usah. Nggak usah 1 menit. Kalau yang belum siap aja aku kasih 1 minute. Kalau Bro Surya udah siap duluan juga nggak apa-apa sih.
Oke.
Udah siap.
Yeah, before I started,
Oke.
can I share my photo?
Oh, boleh banget. Oke, sebentar. Silakan di-share. Kayaknya aku udah belum ya, belum izinin. Oke, dah.
Wait a moment. Sorry. Wait a moment, sorry.
Oke.
Oh my God. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Can I start?
Okay, you can start.
Yeah. You can see my photo. Okay. I take the photo in Gili Asahan. Gili similar to the island because Lombok is an
You took it.
island.
Nice
You,
picture.
you took the photo.
Yes, because Lombok is an island, so we call island in Lombok is Gili. Gili Asahan is a beautiful island that has a beautiful beach, a small hill, a forest, and a house of local people. The island is not big, but has everything you need, make you enjoy and relax on there. I took the photo. I use my camera. I have 2 camera. I often bring my camera if I go to the island because many activity on there, and I can take the photo on there. This photo very special for me because this photo I'm winner photography competition because the photo.
Yang ribut-ribut apa?
I get prize 10 million for the photo.
10 million.
I get the first. I'm the first winner, and I'm very proud because my competitor is not a freelance. My competitor is what we call fairs. So the second winner and the third winner is from fresh. So just me from the freelance photographer. If we see in the photo, I have we can see children study together. They read Quran in the evening. I take the photo in Ramadan, in the Ramadan month. So before I take the photo, I call the children to study together in the what we call the
Okay, your time is up.
Oh,
I'm so sorry. Nggak apa-apa ya, aku cut ya.
Okay.
Soalnya
Okay.
biar nanti yang lainnya juga dapat kesempatan ya.
Yeah.
Oke, nah
Definitely.
untuk brosur ya, ini ada 2 apa namanya? 2 correction. Yang pertama, just me from the freelance photograph. Sebenarnya ini nggak salah, tapi kalau aku boleh kasih rekomendasi bisa diganti dengan kata I am the only one who is freelance photograph. Bisa pakai gitu ya. I'm the only one who is just freelance photographer ya. Kemudian the way you pronounce children, it's actually incorrect. It's children. Memang child, kalau child berdiri sendiri dibacanya child. Tapi kalau dia udah ada drennya, itu berubah bukan menjadi children tapi children. Ya. Oke. Jadi kalau child sendiri, kalau yang untuk yang bentuk pluralnya itu children. Oke.
Oke, thank you.
Alright, nice. Sekarang kita ke Sister Nurlianti. Ini di stop dulu ya sharingnya ya. Oke. Sister. Halo, Sister Nurlianti. Oke.
Halo.
Sister pilih soal yang mana?
About my daytime ya.
Oh,
yang mana dari?
Yang pertama. Oke.
Iya.
Oke, udah siap atau belum? Udah.
Ya, ya spontan aja gitu loh.
Udah spontan aja. Oke, 2 menit dari sekarang.
Okay. I will tell about my describe the time the day. Yeah. The first time I woke up in the morning 4:30. After wake up, I go to toilet and take ablution for wudu and pray, and then I'm prepare breakfast and lunch box for my kids. The different menu for 3 kids. Every morning I make alone, and then I drop my kids to school, and then I take time for me to exercise 1.5 hour for me time, and then I take time for rest and a breakfast for me, and watching the TV. Yeah, every day like that, and I'm very enjoy doing that.
Habis waktunya sih. Oke. Sorry
Thank you.
ya, I stop you. It's okay if I stop you ya, karena kan itu tandanya sister sudah bisa ngomong 2 menit ya. Oke, untuk yang pertama, correctionnya adalah when you say I will tell about my describe the day. Bisa jelasin I will describe you a time of the day that I like. Kemudian yang kedua after wake up, ini mungkin boleh kok kalau misalkan mau pakai after that, ini rekomendasi aja ya. Boleh kalau misalkan pakai setelah ngomong I wake up bla 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 bla. Nah, daripada ribet ya, setelah itu mau ngomong setelah bangun pakai after wake up, langsung aja after that. Kemudian the different. It's not different, it's different. The different ya. Kalau misalkan the different itu bukan akhiran T tapi akhirannya CE ya, the difference jadinya. Oke, kemudian I take time for me to exercise. It should be I take time to exercise. Atau I take a little time for exercising. Boleh. For me-nya sebenarnya nggak butuh ya. Kenapa? Karena udah ada I take time. Atau mungkin I take my time. Mau kayak gitu juga boleh. I take my time to exercise. Ya. Oke, itu sebenarnya adalah rekomendasi-rekomendasi agar lebih memperbaiki struktur dan kalimatnya aja. Ya sebenarnya secara grammar sih ya nggak dibilang salah juga enggak. Cuma aku merekomendasikan biar lebih precise kalimatnya. Oke, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Sekarang Sister Nelly. Oke, Sister Nelly, are you ready? Halo. Mana nih Sister Nelly nih? Where are you?
I choose the
Okay.
photograph ya sis.
Oke, photograph. Oke.
I like my photo in the profile the most. I'm in Nusa Penida at the end of December 2019. I like why I do like it because that's the weight and body shape I want, and I also really like the scenery there. The beach is so beautiful, and getting there is taken a struggle because the route is really dangerous underneath. The refine jurang refine the Riven ya. The one who took my photo and the tour guide. And And then when I
Jurang
see
bukannya cliff.
and when I already in there, I see the tourists from America. They very surprised I'm arrived in there because they already 3 months in there. There's so many Indonesian people come to there. That's why, yeah, because the route is very struggle. And then and usually Indonesian people is like wisata cantik gitu ya. And me and my friends, we 3 girls, and we decide go to there because for my experience, the most beautiful in the world adalah tempat yang paling susah didatengin, yang paling berbahaya didatengin itu adalah tempat yang paling indah di dunia. That's my experience. That's all for me. Thank you.
Oke, so yang pertama ini sebenarnya agak pronunciation ya, sis. Ada 2 pronunciation. Yang pertama because ya itu sebenarnya cara bacanya because ya. So it's bukan because, tapi because, bukan juga because, tapi because ya. Banyak yang suka bacanya because juga soalnya. Kemudian surprise, it's not surprise, it's surprise. I'm surprised. Yeah.
They surprised.
Yeah, surprised. And then
yang jurang sis.
yang jurang tadi refine ya? Apa sih?
Yeah.
Refine.
Yeah.
Refine.
Yeah.
Okay. Kemudian the most beautiful in the world. Kayaknya lebih bagus kalau ditambahin the most beautiful place in the world is a place.
Most beautiful place in the world, ya.
Iya, gitu. Oke, itu aja untuk Sister Nelly. All good. Thank you. Oke, kita ke Sister Fatima now. Hello.
Hello, can you hear my voice?
Yes, I can hear you. Kira-kira Sister pilih yang mana nih?
I choose the first topic.
The first topic, okay. Describe a time of the day you like. All right, now you can start. I will give you 2 minutes.
Okay, so talking about a time in a day, I love night, or you can say evening or midnight. I like them because what I do in the nighttime is I do random things, a lot of things basically. I study, I read books, I watching a movie, or just watching random videos on YouTube. I listen to music while reading a books, or I have a discuss with my friends. There are a lot of things basically that I do in nighttime. And then the people or the person that I usually with when in the nighttime is it depends though. When I'm home, I'm gonna spend my time with my family and my friends hometown. And when I'm in Surabaya, I will spend my time together with a lot of friends here because we live in the same house, like a big house together. So basically, we just have a random talk. Sometimes we discuss a certain topics about anything like the subject in college or whatever. The reason why I like night is because the time when it in the night is so peaceful, and then I can do a lot of stuff just for me, just for myself, because I'm already done with my class in college, so I can like read everything, read books, or I love to discuss. So I always have a time almost every day to discuss with my friends and maybe watching a movie. So I can like gain some knowledge because I love to watching documentary, especially after I watch some videos.
Okay.
I usually have a
Time
really
is
great
up.
idea. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, I'm so sorry. Aku juga gitu guys, waktu speaking IELTS, aku lagi enak-enak ngomong tiba-tiba di-cut. Gitu ya. Itulah rasanya ya.
Me time ya, Sis Fatima. Me time.
Oke. Tapi nggak apa-apa kan kita cuma mau membuktikan bisa ngomong fluent dalam 2 menit atau enggak. Oke, yang pertama untuk sister aku nggak ada sama sekali recommendation or correction for you actually. Yeah, because you've done all the speech correctly. Yeah, so I didn't get any grammatical mistakes as well as pronunciation. Yeah. What I want to say is that all your answer itu semuanya mengcover all the bullet points ya, which is nice. And then you can use a lot of advanced vocabulary kayak gain dan lain-lain ya. Instead of using get, ya you can use gain, which is the more advanced vocabulary ya. So I really appreciate that. Ya, thank you untuk sister. Sister siapa tadi ya? Aku lupa.
Fatima.
Ya kan, Sister Fatima. Thank you, Sister Fatima.
Yeah, thank
Aduh, aku
you.
tuh
Thank
susah
you.
banget ini nama orang loh, mengingat nama.
Ih, taunya cuma Bro Surya.
Yes.
Aduh,
Actually.
gimana dong?
Aduh, gimana dong?
Bentar guys, bentar aku start laptop.
You Bro Surya, si memorize very
Yeah.
very.
The one, the only.
I'm easy to memorize me.
Yeah. You
It's
memorize
like-
you very much.
It's like sun ya, Surya.
Yeah.
Oke, kita sekarang menuju siapa ini? Siapa ini? Siapa ini? Sister Lilis ya? Oke. Sister Lilis, now it's your turn.
Okay, thank you.
Oke.
A time of the day you like.
Yang mana yang dipilih nih?
Yang describe.
Describe yang ini, yang
Yeah.
dipilih ya. Oke.
Yeah. My favorite time is in the afternoon before the evening. At that time, I can rest, hanging out with my daughter, and we tell story and joke together. And sometimes we have snack. Because hanging out with them and longing together really makes me happy. Yes, enough. Thank you.
Hah?
Segitu aja.
Wah. Demi apapun. Aku cuma nulis satu lagi. Tapi emang cuma satu sih, karena sister ngomongin di sekali. Oke, nggak apa-apa ya. Oke, correctionnya cuma when you say daughter.
Oh, daughter.
It's
Daughter.
actually daughter.
Daughter.
Daughter. Oke, nice. Very good, Sister Lilis. Thank you.
Very
Oke,
fast.
lumayan mencengangkan ya. Oke. Sekarang Wicaksono, halo.
Yes, yes.
Oke, bro. Now it's your
will-
turn.
I will choose a day of my life.
The day of life, the first
Oh, day
question.
of life.
Ini dong.
Yes.
Ya, oke.
Can I start it?
Yes, you can start now.
Yeah, I'll try to describe about the day of my life. Usually I wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning, but it depends on the alarm that I heard. And then because I start to work at 8:30, usually I sleep again after pray subuh, and then I woke up in 7 a.m. and I prepare myself to go to the office. After all the preparation have done, and then I go to my office
Oh, ini Opa Bebe yang lagi datang.
with the motorcycle,
Sebentar.
and then I arrive to my office at 8 a.m. and I have a breakfast in the office, and then I start to work at 8:30, and then at 10 a.m. I have a coffee break, and then I continue my work. And at 12 a.m. I have a break for 1 hour, and then I continue my work again until 5 p.m. And then after pray Maghrib, actually, or usually I go to the field with my friend to play futsal for 2 hours. And then I go back to my small rent house, and then I prepare everything. I pray Isha first, and then I join to the class for 1 hour. And then after I finish with the class, usually I try to make any notes for all the thing that sometimes it make me a little confused, or something that I a little bit don't really understand about it. And then that's all of
Okay.
the day that I have. Thanks for
Oke.
your attention.
Thank you. Wow, very good. Nah, ini aku bingung ya mau ngasih correctionnya apa ya. Oke. Jadi gini. Ini yang kayak gini-gini nih malah jadinya bikin aku pusing karena aku nggak ada koreksi ya, Bro Wicaksono. Oke. Jadi aku mau kasih komplimen aja. Komplimennya adalah penggunaan past tense, penggunaan past tense-nya tadi bagus banget ya, tidak terlewatkan. Kemudian verb SES-nya juga subject verb agreement SES-nya nice. And then you can also use perfect tense tadi ya, which is nice, and your pronunciation outstanding, bagus. And then paling ini aja pada tadi 12 EM ya, 12 EM use it's 12
I
AM.
confused at that time.
Ya, confused kadang A sama E agak confusing ya. Oke, itu aja 12 AM. Oke. Sama itu aja, sama paling the most of your speaking itu semuanya menjelaskan tentang your schedule ya. So you probably need to explain more about why you like it.
Okay, correction. PM, PM. 12 PM, 12 PM or AM?
Tadi 12 AM. 12 itu maksudnya masih AM kok. Masih AM. Masih AM.
I think 12 PM itu bukan.
Kayaknya masih AM.
Sudah masuk kalau 12 udah.
Iya deh.
PM
Iya,
itu.
sorry. Kalau 12 sudah
itu.
sorry, 11.59. 12 itu
Ya,
udah masuk
betul.
PM. Sorry banget ya.
12 sudah PM.
12 itu udah PM.
Yes.
Oke, that's why ya. Terima kasih ya sudah mengingatkan. Gue juga kadang-kadang lupa. Oke, so gitu ya. Jadi itu aja. Bagus banget tadi untuk masalah pronunciation dan grammarnya udah nggak usah ditanyakan lagi ya. You have done your best lah pokoknya ya.
Thanks.
Oke, so nice, good. Oke, now kita ke Bro Masri.
Okay, thank you. My turn.
Oke, your turn.
Okay.
Pilih yang mana soalnya, Bro?
Oh yeah, describe a time of the day.
Yang ini ya? Oke.
Ya. Oke.
Oke, silakan 2 menit dari sekarang.
As I did usually, I woke up in the morning at 5 o'clock AM. And before I did my activity, I asked all my family to worship God because I'm Christian. So after I asked to my family, I asked they all to pray to God. We sang some song, and we pray to God. We pray for my family, and I pray to government, and then after that, I tidy my room. After that, I prepare for coffee time. And in the evening, I was getting to my church like this. I am in the church. I was getting ready to my church, and worship at 17 p.m. And right now, I'm here in my church, and I want to pray again at 21 p.m. And the subject of the we pray for the church, we pray for the
Oke,
some
bro.
program future.
Waktunya habis.
Okay, thank you.
Ya, thank you. Nah ini nih, ya ini koreksinya cuma 2, dikit banget juga ya. Jadi untuk yang grammarnya itu tadi kan Bro Masri kan menjelaskan tentang your daily activity kalau ya kan. Nah kalau daily activity sebenarnya nggak perlu pakai was,
nggak usah,
nggak
dia
perlu
present
pakai
ya,
past
present
tense. Iya,
ya,
pakainya
daily ya.
present aja. Jadinya when
Okay.
I get ready ya with bla bla bla.
Yeah, get ready
Get ready aja.
to the church.
Terus yang 17 PM ini bro, ya kalau di bahasa Inggris itu mereka nggak ada 17, 18, 14 gitu.
Oh, 5 ya?
17 itu langsung
5
aja
PM
5
ya?
PM
5
ya.
PM ya?
Itu gunanya PM kan untuk memang untuk
Okay.
membedakan sore dan
Iya.
pagi.
Oke,
Oke, berarti nanti jadinya
Thank you
5
for your
PM.
correction.
Oke, thank you. Oke, kita lanjut ke Sister Rohani.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, you can start now.
Okay, I want to tell you about of the daytime I like. There is a time when I have to be busy at school, when I have a teach schedule. In the morning, I wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning. I have to get up to pray, take a shower, and breakfast. Only drink tea. Then leave at 7 a.m. in the morning. Go to school and teach from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. in the afternoon. Continue break at 1 p.m. until 3 p.m. After that, I went home and take a shower. After that, a rest or relax watching TV. Okay, thank you.
That's it. Oke, soalnya waktunya masih ada. Aku pikir lagi mikir. Oke. Oke. Thank you, Sister Rohani. Nah, correctionnya pertama schedule. It's not schedule. It's schedule. Schedule. Yeah, schedule. And then for break bukan breakfast tapi breakfast. Breakfast. Pakai E, breakfast ya. So it's breakfast, not breakfast. Ya.
Yes.
Oke, thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, kita ke Bro Mardi Aman. Oke. Are you ready?
Spontaneous, I try to describe the time of the day, what I like.
Okay.
Every day, I will start every day. I wake up at around at 5 p.m. o'clock, and I get up and wake up, and I face my I wash my wife. I wash my face, and as usual, I must do exercise, do sport, yeah. And at around at 5:25 a.m. o'clock, yeah, I go up to rooftop, because my house have a rooftop as a place do exercising for me. I do exercise around half. And after completing exercising, I go down. I go down and back to pace to wash my face. And because I have a responsibility to drive my children go to school, yeah, I must drive my doctor to school. Yeah, I use private transportation. Yeah, because I have to private transportation, and but before going to the school doctor, I pray. We both pray to God to
Okay, nice. You're done with the time. Thank you so much. I will give you a correction. Yang pertama, I wake up around at. Sebenarnya kalau mau nggak pakai around juga nggak apa-apa kalau waktunya sudah jelas. Kalau misalkan nih Bro Mardi nih udah tahu jam tepatnya tanpa pakai around pun nggak apa-apa. I wake up at bla bla bla. Ya. Kemudian as a place as a place to exercise for me. Ini kurang do-nya. Ya. As a place to do some exercise. Ya, jadi harus ada to do as a place to do bukan as a place do. Tadi Bro Mardi cuma bilang as a place do, kurang to-nya ya. Oke, itu aja. Sisanya very good. Thank you. Oke, kita ke Sister Riana now. Sister Riana, are you here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I choose the describe a time of the day.
Oke, silakan.
My daily activity are wake up at 5 o'clock, prayer and read Holy Quran. I prefer to make a breakfast like cereal and milk because my husband and my son didn't want eat rice in the morning. I prefer the school uniforms and husband's uniforms. After my husband and my son go to school and office, I do household chores until finished. Yoga is my favorite exercise for lost my soreness and refresh my mind. If I have more time for pick up my son from his school, I always watching K-drama and scroll the social media. And then after pick up my son, I cook for the dinner and then I playing with my little son in the garden every afternoon. That's all. Thank you.
Oh, that's all. Thank you. Oke, yang pertama ya, Sister. House chores. It's house chores.
Oh,
Okay,
household chores.
House chores. Oke. Kemudian K-drama ya. Itu K atau K? Kalau K kan
Korean drama.
Korean drama, berarti K-drama.
K-drama.
Ya, karena ya, bukan Q, bukan. Kalau Q berarti K. Kalau K itu bahasa Inggrisnya dibacanya K. So K-drama.
K-drama. Oke.
Good, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sis.
Oke, kita ke Bro Didi. Halo.
Oh, my turn. Sorry.
Yes, your turn.
Wait. I am just to describe my favorite picture photo.
Favorite. Oh, yang ini ya, sebentar. Nih ya.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm late, but I will try my best.
Yes.
So I will show you my favorite picture. Can you see this?
Yes, I can see that. Wow.
How about everyone? Can you see this?
Gimana everyone? Can you see that? I can see
it.
it.
Who is that?
Is that you?
Yes, I
Bro
can
Didi,
see.
is that you?
I can see.
No, it's not Bro Didi, of course.
Let me describe first, okay?
Tasya langsung ngebelain.
Okay.
Salah lagi aku, ya Allah.
Okay, guys. I will try to describe about my favorite teacher. Yeah, his name is Mr. Seger. He is a pineapple
Kok aku
farmer.
sih?
He is a pineapple farmer, and I took his picture while he was resting in his farm hut. I take this picture by my own self with my phone when I take shelter from rain there. Yeah, I like this picture because it show happiness on his face. No, it's look happiness. Come on, you can see this picture, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, his
He is
smile
mine.
is simple. Yeah, his smile is
Yeah.
simple, but for me, it's meaningful. Okay, thank you for. I think it's
Thank
all for me.
you. Oke, walaupun aku agak sedih ya, favorite teachernya bukan aku. Nggak apa-apa.
Oh my
No, you're not my favorite.
Bercanda.
You're not my favorite
Nggak
teacher.
apa-apa, aku
You
He's
my
not my favorite teacher, but he's my favorite person.
jangan coba-coba Anda ya.
Iya.
I'm here for you.
Kamu sama Bro Surya.
Tuh, Bro Surya, kamu kenapa sih kayak gitu? Aku tuh nggak bisa lihat cowok bisa main musik. Aku langsung kelepok-kelepok. Jangan gitu, stop.
Aduh, aku nggak bawa piano lagi.
Si Tasya, Bro Surya ngajakin ke McD mau main musik.
Iya, boleh aku mah nggak apa-apa. Oke, Bro Didi, tadi ini correctionnya cuma satu loh ya. Tadi tuh very
Apa
nice.
itu?
Aku ada satu correction yang ini, it's so happiness. Nah ini nih, it's so happiness. Nah ini kita harus membedakan mana yang bahagia, mana yang bahagia dalam bentuk noun, kebahagiaan atau bahagia. Happiness itu kebahagiaan.
Iya, iya.
Kalau misalkan mau bilang ya, terlihat seperti dia bahagia di foto itu, ya berarti kan mungkin bisa diganti menjadi he looks so happy. Right, you change dari happiness menjadi happy karena kalau happiness itu kebahagiaan, jadi nanti ini sangat kebahagiaan, ya. Kalau dia di bahasa Indonesia jadi.
Tapi kalau menunjukkan rasa bahagia gitu.
Nah, kalau menunjukkan kebahagiaan, bisa it tells happiness. It tells happiness.
Oh, iya.
Bisa. Foto ini menggambarkan kebahagiaan dari si bapak tersebut. Berarti the picture tells happiness. The happiness of this bapak gitu ya. Bisa kayak gitu. Jadi happiness.
The photo describe the photo describe happiness.
Ya, the photo describe happiness.
Okay.
Tapi kalau mau bilang dia terlihat sangat bahagia, nggak bisa pakai happiness, harus pakai happy. Jadi segala hal yang ada ness-nessnya itu semuanya berupa noun atau kata benda. Happiness itu termasuk kata benda yang bisa kita rasakan dengan panca indera. Cinta, happiness, dan lain-lain itu semua termasuk ke dalam kata benda. Oke?
Oh, love.
Love itu kata benda.
Oh, Bro Surya, you have to make attention about love.
Gimana?
No, I not understand.
Bro Surya mah.
Menurut saya penting.
Notice.
Gimana bro? Aku akan notice kok kalau kamu nyanyi buat aku. Nggak bercanda. Sorry. Oke, siapa lagi nih abis Bro Didi? Kita ke Sister Jennifer.
Okay. Sis, can I share my photo?
Yes, sure. Aku akan stop sharing. You can share your screen now.
Okay. Okay. Wait. Sis, if my voice is a bit lost, please just understand ya.
Iya, enggak kok, enggak lost, bagus kok.
Suaraku udah hampir habis gitu.
Aku pikir kamu penyanyi rocker.
Habis dari konser ya.
Your sound is good.
About the photo. So guys, the photo was taken at the GBI church when I was doing my job. My job is singing, and as I recall that 70 December 2022, and I sing at that church. The one who took the photo was one of the church members. Then their name is Angel. And which can be seen from the photo, is member of the GS band and him beside me. So actually, I like the photo because the one next to me is my crush. So that's being the photo so special for me.
Coba kamu break dance begini nih. Baik.
Okay.
Jangan.
A member of the GS band, and he is accompanies me when I singing. He playing the bass on there, and I'm so impressed with he playing the bass, and that's so cool. He is so gorgeous. So I think I fall in love with him. So I have to share you this photo, guys. So I think that's all for me.
That's all. Wow, very good. Your grammar surprisingly really nice ya. Grammarnya bagus banget. Udah bisa pakai continuous, udah bisa pakai passive voice ya, perfect dan lain-lainnya. Okay, I only have one correction related to your speech. When you said him beside me, he is atau he was beside me.
I think
Ya. Iya, he was harusnya. Tadi aku dengarnya him, bener nggak sih? Apa yang
How about he playing? He playing or he is playing?
Kalau pakai playing harus pakai is atau was.
Ya.
Ya.
He was playing ya.
He was playing.
Playing guitar, playing bass, or playing keyboard.
Nice gitu. Oke, itu aja. Thank you, Sister Jennifer. That's all good. Oke, sekarang Sister Arika.
Yeah, hello sis.
Hello.
I choose the describe a time of the day I like.
Oke, silakan.
The hours I like are night hours, like 10 p.m. till I feel sleepy. What I do at night is I do meditation, I read books, color books, disturb my sleeping cat, watch K-drama, continue knitting, look for activity by tidying up books, and if I can sleep, I will look for activity by cleaning everything in the room until I'm tired. Usually, I like to do it alone. I like it because nighttime is the best, no distraction, quiet, and the activity carried out can be more focused. Okay.
Oke, nice, very good. Aku cuma ada satu ya correctionnya. Pronunciation-nya itu bukan tired ya.
Tired.
Tapi tired.
Tired.
Tired. No, tired.
Susah ya. Tired.
Tired. Jadi
tired.
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 It's tired. It's not tired. Yeah, it's tired.
Okay.
I'm so tired. Yes.
I'm so tired.
Bukan tired ya, tapi tired.
Tired.
Okay, it's tired, not kan tulisannya kan gini dia kan tulisannya. Tulisannya tired.
Iya, tired.
Tapi bacanya itu
Baca ya.
Sudah bisa.
Sudah
Kayak tohib.
Ih, suka deh kalau Triana yang
tired. Ya.
Ya, oke.
Jadi R-nya itu
diganti ya?
Dipindah.
Oh, dipindah.
Emang susah.
R-nya itu dipindah di sebelahnya D. Tired. Jadi Jadi ini ini kan dia kayak gini kan. Tired gini nih. Nah, ini kita pindah nih si R pindah ke sini. Tired jadinya. Nah, I ini kan kalau dibaca dibacanya I. Jadinya tie, hilangkan I-nya, tired gitu, tired.
Oh, tired.
Tired.
Ya.
Jadi ribet ya, tapi memang seperti itu cara baca. I'm so sorry.
Sis Nelly liar,
Liar.
Ya, memang pronunciation itu udah
Tired.
itu udah bener loh, tired. Iya, kayak gitu aja. Ingat aja T. Ingat nih ya, aku besarin nih. T, H,
I.
Your.
Oh, jadi
Anggap aja
dan
pakai
Y
Y
gitu ya.
deh.
Tired.
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 Nah, jadi bukan tired ya, bukan tired, bukan tired, tapi tired. I'm tired.
I'm
so tired. Gitu ya, bukan I'm so tired. Ya.
I'm exhausted.
You're exhausted.
I'm so tired.
Exhausted gimana exhausted? Ini juga beda. Ini bukan exhausted.
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 Ya.
Iya, exhausted. Pakai G. Kan ini kan tulisannya gini kan?
Exhausted.
Exhausted gini kan?
Ya, exhausted.
Bacanya exhausted. Semuanya pakai Z ya, exhausted. I'm exhausted. Exhausted. Jadi yang ini tuh dibacanya Z, setelahnya itu baru tetap S ya. So it's exhausted. It bukan exhausted. Exhausted dibaca exhausted. I'm exhausted. Yes. Emang ya kalau pronunciation. Aduh, emang.
Bahasa Indonesia lebih mudah ya, sis.
Iyalah, itu kan bahasa kita. Yang terakhir sebelum kita close ada Bro Syam. Okay, Bro Syam, you're gonna be the last. Which topic do you choose?
Thank you. I choose describe a time of the day.
Oh, time of the day.
Like.
Oke, silahkan.
Yes.
Ini nggak ada yang jelasin museum gitu-gitu dari tadi ya?
Nggak suka museum.
Kayaknya kalian kurang interested.
Who the go to museum today?
Iya, siapa ya? Oke, lanjut bro.
Ya, my most time is it at 4 p.m. O'clock. Because I will gather with friends to watch football.
Okay.
Like the previous sample, I watched Persebaya versus PSM, won by PSM in a score of 1-0. I like it because I am interested in football. Watch the ball while drinking coffee with friends, and it's very exciting. That's all. Thank you.
That's all. Okay. So the pronunciation, yeah, it's not cafe. Coffee. It's coffee. Coffee. Yes, it's
coffee.
Coffee. Yes.
Coffee.
So I drink coffee.
Thank you.
Ya. Oke, itu aja ya. Oke, itu aja. Kalian ada pertanyaan kah sebelum aku tutup kelasnya karena kita sudah selesai hari ini? Do you guys have any question? No? Kenapa pada diem ya? Kalian sudah ngantuk.
Nggak ada pertanyaan.